Correlation of EKG changes and areas of damage. For EKG changes in leads 2, 3, and AVF, these are demonstrated by the inferior portion and fed by the right coronary artery, or RCA. Leads V1 to V2 demonstrate areas of myocardium in the posterior region and are fed by the RCA. Leads V2, V3, and V4 are demonstrated in the anteroseptal and are fed by the left anterior descending artery. Anterior areas of the myocardium are demonstrated on the EKG by V3 to V5, again fed by the LAD. Next, 1 AVL demonstrate high lateral regions and are fed by the left circumflex. And finally, V5 to V6 demonstrate apical areas of the myocardium and again are fed by the left anterior descending artery.